areas in lighter blue are bits that you are responsible for taking control of and managing. And the bits in darker blue, to almost grey-black, darker blue, are the bits that the provider manages. So, for example, the student Outlook service that the university offers is almost entirely run as software as a service. You lot provide the email, we provide the user accounts, but everything else is something that Microsoft run and administer and charge us for. So we're running at this kind of level. The current iteration of www.uobcomputing.com is this one here, infrastructure as a service. So that's a virtual machine, funnily enough called Kermit, looking at Cameron's green jumper, funnily enough called Kermit, that sits and runs on Amazon's cloud, and I'm fully in charge of. So I manage that. It's also the host for the SEC 5104 server and 2 or 3 other things I've got multi-homed on that machine. But that one currently is entirely managed by me. So they provide the physical hardware, the physical storage, and the data center. I do OS updates because it's a virtual machine that I manage. I've installed MySQL on the MariaDB on it. I've written my own application software code in most parts, and I'm providing the data that goes on top of that. So that particular setup is run that way right now.